From the #1 station, this is a story about love. A love story. Music is love, and love is music.
Good day there friends, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Well, today is a very special day. Today is Jamaica's 58th anniversary. 58th anniversary. Wow, where has time flies? As a matter of fact, 58 years ago, I was just 5 years old. That tells you that Jamaica is a very, very young democracy. We have made a lot of stride over the years. We actually come a long way. For the last few days, I've been posting little clips here and there on my Facebook page about some nostalgia. Jamaica's past, way back, time before I was born, and into the now. Jamaica is a very special place. Here, I'm an American citizen, dual citizen, but living here, Jamaica still remains in my heart. And today, I'm greeting all my friends around the world, all diasporas, in every corner, whether it be in Germany, France, the UK, you name it, Jamaicans are there. And today we're celebrating the 58th anniversary. I'm not sitting in front of a plate of fried fish and bami, curry goat and rice, stewed peas, all of Jamaican specialties. I have none of that today. But what I do have is a Jamaican beef patty. I'll reach up for that. And a ting. Guys, as you know, or friends as you know, ting is a thing. We dropped a lot of the TH in Jamaica and the S's. If you notice, a lot of time when I speak, I oftentimes inadvertently forget to add my S. It's not because I don't know what I'm talking about, it's just as a pattern of speech. So forgive me when I don't have my S. Or my S's. But today's not about me. It's about my fellow Jamaicans. Like I had mentioned, Jamaica is a very, very special place. A place of champions. Many champions. To name a few, a place where the classist man lives. To name a few, it's gonna take me all the way back to Donald Quarry, that reigned supreme in the 70s. Oh my. And Merlin Ottey, and the field, the queen of the field in the 90s. And of course those who follow had a very large shoe to fill, but born with the genes. As scientists have discovered, that Jamaica has what is called, Jamaican sprinters, as a matter of fact, has what is called a speed gene. A speed gene, where the muscles twitch faster than people found in other places. So that tell you how special Jamaica is. So speaking of Merlin Ottey, moving up, think about Fraser Price. Think about Campbell Brown. Think about Powell. Think about Blake. Think about Thompson, both Richard and Elaine. And the list goes on. And of course, the man that bowled to the top, the king of the field, Usain Bolt himself. That is what Jamaica produced. Jamaica is home to the bobsled team. Conceptualized from pushcart. Can you imagine? That's what Jamaica is all about. Jamaica has a hockey team. Jamaica has a chess team. So when we talk about Jamaica, those are the pride we talk about. A few examples. Let's talk about the flag. In 1962, our national anthem was conceptualized and was commissioned even before the flag was created. That tells you how young Jamaica is. And that is, at that time I was 5 years old. The flag signifies a great deal. Strength of the people. Creativity, resiliency to overcome obstacles, the wealth, the golden sunshine. And when I speak of wealth, I'm going to borrow a line from someone famous who says, a lot of people didn't know this, that Jamaica has the largest aluminum ore deposit in the Caribbean nation. So when we speak of wealth, that's what we talk about. Jamaica, award of excellence for hospitality. That is where service was born. We're the best at what we do there. Talking about the lush vegetation, water everywhere. That's encapsulate the flag of Jamaica and make it such a beautiful place. So today I pay tribute to all my Jamaican diaspora around the world and my Jamaican friends and family in Jamaica to say Happy Independence Day. As I mentioned before, Jamaica still have a way to go yet, but it is excellence in the making. Just like any other young democracy, we struggle along the way. But the one thing for sure, we never give up. Our philosophy in Jamaica always, no problem, man. Me just lost my house to the hurricane, but guess what? Me build another one. You pick up, you smile, you get on, and you make it work. That is the spirit of Jamaica. And that is what I love about Jamaica. Not to be remiss, Jamaica is the home of reggae music, the rhythm that rock your bone anywhere you are. I don't know about you, but for me, every time I heard the sound of the bass and the drum, my body rock. So today that's my memory of my good Jamaica. As a matter of fact, speaking of which, during the 1970s, during the track and field, 1970, we all love our radio because shortwave radio was king. No television, no electricity, you have a battery, you have a radio. Oh, that was heaven. And unlike today with the visual, you're able to imagine and feel as if you're part of the field during those days. So, you know, that's a part of our creativity. We try to make things work. And so my fellow Jamaicans and diaspora around the world, let's celebrate the pride of Jamaica. Jamaica is always home. Jamaica is still in the making to be a more perfect place. With my ting. Cheers. This cocoa thing made it very difficult to mobilize, to get around, to get back to Jamaica. This happened even in the death of my mother. Was not able to go home. But there's a lot of heroes to thank, from the founding heroes to the heroes that I know that I can touch. An example would be my sister, who's a nurse, who could actually teaches other lots of lessons about how to care for the elderly. She cared for my mom till her last breath. And I know in my last video, reflection, I have not said it, but I was waiting for this day because I have to point out who the heroes are. And that's one of my heroes. And of course all my brothers, which also did not mention in any of the videos. All of us are struggling in life. I am no more fortunate than they are, but I am where I am. But you know, I still thank all my brothers for their guidance when I was younger, and here I am. So heroes comes in many forms, and they are my heroes. And so tribute to Jamaica and its 58th anniversary. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Very, very important. I love you guys. Let's keep the rhythm going. Jamaica, one love. So my friends, there was one more question that I neglect to ask. When you think of Jamaica, let's talk about what songs remind you of Jamaica. I can tell you what mine is. And please comment when you view this video. The song that reminds me very much of Jamaica is a song from Harry Belafonte. A lot of people are probably too young, even though Harry Belafonte is still in the now. But there's a lot of songs that bring back some kind of nostalgia. So for me, my Harry Belafonte song, I will only say the verse for copyright infringement purposes. Mine is, O island in the sun, willed to me by my father's hands, all my days I will sing in praise for your forests, water, and shining sand. That's my nostalgia of Jamaica when it comes to remembering Jamaica. So let me know what you think. And comment, what's your favorite song that reminds you of Jamaica? Yes, we do have reggae, but this one is on the soft side. All right, let me know.